birthday, Ahmed! I represent the Lollipop Kid. Ahmed, that's too much. That's probably too much. Ahmed, that's enough. Oh, now. My friend fell down. It was his birthday and he fell down. Oh God, there's blood everywhere.